Kathy with Kathy's Garden. I love everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. I have 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so all you need to do is subscribe and then leave a respectful comment. A shout out to Lynn, Nancy, Vicki, and Maybelline. I appreciate each and every one of you. And happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Oh, you guys, we're going to make a little Valentines for our giveaway junk journal. So I have prepped this time. I prepped a few little things because I had to get my cutter out and it's way too big for my space. So what I did was I decided that I wanted to make a little card. So I took a hard piece of card stock and I took a very pretty little pattern piece of paper, and I have a pretty doily coffee dyed piece of paper, and I'm going to back that just like that. So what I'm going to do is grab my glue stick, and I am still at the end of these glue sticks, so hopefully it doesn't jump out like it did that one time. And I'm just going to very lightly put a little bit of glue on here just to hold this paper on. So I'm just going to put this on here like this. You know, you guys, I'm up and everybody, well, there's the dogs are in the bed and my husband's gone to bed, and I got the kitchen cleaned up and I said to myself, oh wow. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get my Valentine's Day done in time to post it in the morning, to download my video in the morning. So I said, oh, I think I'll just go. Well, how did that get so crooked? I think I'll just go and do that right now, and then all I have to do is download it in the morning. So here I am. Kind of late at night, but it's okay. It's okay. It's going to be adorable. And then I am going to put this into the junk journal that is going to be the giveaway for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that's going on right now. And it's going to be very special. So I am just going to trim this up just a little bit. Somehow I got it not real even. And I'm going to sew around this. So here we go. Okay guys, it turned out really cute. I have no idea what happened there. I did put a new needle in to my machine, but it took a jump right there, but that's okay. It just gives it character, right? That's what I say. Just gives it character. So I'm going to ink this up just to round the edges just a little bit. I kind of have a little bit of an idea of what I want, but you know, it always kind of turns out a little different than my vision, but at least I have a vision to start with. And all right, so we've got that done. Now I would like to take these two pieces, and my idea is to attach this right here so I can have a pocket. So I'm going to put just a little bit of glue right on here, and I'm going to attach this cardstock to this coffee dyed piece of music paper. And since the bottom's rounded, we're going to need to round the bottom as well of this tag. And we're going to sew that. I think so. I think we're going to sew that. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, that turned out very cute. Now, what I would like to do next is, I was thinking here, this is when I kind of get a little like, what was I thinking? What was I thinking with this? I'm not sure. Just to have a little journaling card in here. Maybe so. I don't know yet. I do know what I was thinking about this though. I was thinking of taking this, which is a tag that's out of hard cardstock and covering it with this lace like this, sewing around it, and then putting a heart on it. I think that will be pretty because it's going to tie in this color with this color. I do think I'm going to ink this up. It'll make it a little peachier because our giveaway journal is full of color this time, the peaches and the greens. So I think that'll look real pretty on there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I am going to sew this on here. Okay guys, I went ahead and sewed it on, and then I cut right around where the stitching is, so it's pretty cute in there. I'm thinking about putting this on here. I'm kind of questioning the color. Do I like that color? It's a pretty color. How about if we maybe put a little bit, I've got this lace here, either put some lace here or even maybe a little bit on the top. All right, let's put some lace right here on this what is this thing? A pocket. Let's put it right on the pocket like that. Okay. And we'll trim it just like this. That looks nice. I'm not sure if I want to put that lace on the top or if I want to just put a little bit of I'm looking right here, this, some of this maybe on the top. I'm thinking I want this. Yes, I like that. So let's go ahead and fray this a little bit, and I don't want it to be very long. Okay, so maybe we'll cut it about right here. Oh, and then we're going to need to fray this as well. Alrighty. Then we're going to need to sew this on here. I think I might like it puckered. Can't decide. I think I want it skinnier. I think it's too thick. I think that's the problem. Too wide. I think that's the issue I'm having with it. Something wasn't quite right. Let's try this. I'm getting everything everywhere. Okay. So yes, that's much better. Before I do that though, I do need to move this up a little bit. It's gathered twigs. I just think that's important to do this. Look at the other side as well. All right, put the lid on so it doesn't dry out. And let's go ahead and sew that right on, and then I'm thinking I'm going to sew this as well. We'll see how it looks. We may not put it on. We may have to cut a new one. We'll see. All right, guys, as I was sewing that, I got another idea. Because the strings, and I didn't go all the way down to the point, so I'm thinking I'm going to try something here. Looking for my scissors. Here they are. I'm going to cut these strings off from the back. All right, but these ones in the front, what happens if we put a little heart to hang down from it? I don't know if I can get it to hang down, if it's going to look good, if it's not going to look good. I have no idea. It might not work. I might need to, oh, how about if I just put it on a ribbon? All right, guys, I'm over here looking for a ribbon. Here's a gold ribbon. I don't know if I want gold. Here's a, oh, this is much better. Here's a creamy pink one. This might work much better. Okay. Let's put this through here. And when I start thinking about things, I start jumping around. If we put this on here, we could tie a bow. Okay, okay. Think. Think. Tie a bow. All right, get the bow tied. Okay, so maybe I am going to cut those black ones off. Maybe, I don't know. We're still thinking. I'm thinking I need to maybe make a knot there, because I did not back stitch. So I can always cut it if I don't like it there. I don't like the knots, I can always cut it. But for now, I made a knot so it won't come undone. All right, it won't come undone, Kathy. Sure, it won't come undone. Okay. Yeah. That didn't work so well, but if I glue this on there like that, oh, I think that's so cute. How am I going to get this to hang down? I don't know. We're so plain here, guys. I'll put a knot in this. I hope you can still see what I'm doing. Okay. We have a knot. If I glue this and that, oh yeah, that's cute. Okay, so first we're going to glue, let's move this out of the way. First we're going to glue this bow on, and I'm going to just glob some glue on there to even hold those stitches so they don't come undone. And we'll put this down first, just like this. Yep. Then we're going to glob some more glue on here. Yes. And we're going to put the bow that we made right on here. Oh yes. Very, very nice. Now we're going to need to let this sit for just a few minutes. We are going to glue this onto here, and then we're going to put this into here like that. Oh, can't see that. Oh, you guys. Okay, so I'm very happy with that. Let me move this out of the way a little bit and go ahead and glue this onto here. I don't even know if we need to put words on here. I don't know. Butterfly, words, roses. Not sure if we need, oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. I'm just putting glue on here. That's all I'm doing. I'm just putting the glue on. Okay. So we've got that on there. I do like that. I think that's very sweet. I'm loving the colors with this. Now, see, this is our picture and our material. That's going to go just fine with that journal. Now, this goes inside here, and goes inside of here like that. Oh, you guys, I want to wish everyone a very happy Valentine's Day. From me to you. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye now.